Earn unlimited online money free using ClickBank in 2021. ClickBank affiliate marketing for beginners. This is no investment required. This is 100% free traffic using this new method. This free traffic source has 10 million monthly unique visitors, allowing new affiliate marketers that don't know how to build a website and that have no money to invest, allowing them to make $100,000 per month or more with ClickBank affiliate marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Just make sure you watch until the very end and do not skip ahead. You are tuned in to Rock and Roll Cash Flow, baby. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become part of the family. Let's get this started right now. Step one is to go to clickbank.com and create yourself a free account if you haven't done so already. It's very easy and it is free. Just hit the sign up button right here. You'll list the country you're coming from, your name, your phone number, your email address, and create a password. Then continue to the terms and conditions and then join ClickBank. If ClickBank is not available in your country, then you can use digistore24.com. This works just the same way that ClickBank does, but this will be available in your country if ClickBank is not. Once you're signed on to your ClickBank account, this is what a brand new account would look like, the dashboard. So I created this account just for this demonstration. I want you to see what a brand new account looks like. An account that's done a lot of business will have a lot of different, analytics right here. But the first thing we want to do is look at the products that they offer, stuff that we can make money with. And we'll be able to do that just by clicking right here on Affiliate Marketplace. This will redirect us to all the different products that we can promote and get a good commission from. So you just want to right now just go down and look at all the niches they have. And within these niches, there's a bunch of different products. Let me just explain that real quick. If I were to click on health and fitness right here, we can see that there's hundreds of products under the niche health and fitness. All of these are great sellers. We can see right here there's multiple pages of these products just within the one niche of health and fitness. When searching for a product on ClickBank, the first thing you need to look at is this green number in the right-hand corner. That's the average amount of money you will make per sale, otherwise known as your commission for promoting said product. The other thing you need to look at is right here where it says gravity. You need to look at the little green number to the right where it says gravity, okay? Gravity means the amount of times this particular product has sold in the last 30 days. So we want the gravity to be nowhere below 50. 50 or higher, that is a general rule of ClickBank affiliate marketing. And then the last thing you want to do is see the landing page that this company is providing you to promote this product. That means the landing page that your customers or potential customers will be directed to when they click on your link. And 9 times out of 10, we can just find it right up here at the top. If you just click on the title of the product, then you'll be able to see the landing page that your customers will be directed to. And this one is good because this is a video. We kind of want to stick with products that only provide us with videos. Some of the products on ClickBank provide very boring landing pages that do not convert very well at all. They don't convert into sales. Video seems to be the way to go. This is a tried and true and tested method to convert into sales. So stick with products with videos as a landing page. Now, when we find a product that we want to promote, we're simply going to push the blue promote button and generate ourselves our personal link that will give us a commission on that product. But before we do that, I want to show you the first free traffic method that we're going to use to get this link in front of thousands of people so you can make a bunch of money. But first, let's just take a quick look at these niches because this is going to come in handy. This is all going to make sense. Just kind of put some of these in your head. Health and fitness, yes, okay. Maybe home and garden, maybe bedding systems, arts and entertainment. Just keep some of those in mind because after I show you this free traffic source, then we're going to come back here and find a product to throw in there. First thing we're going to do is visit this website called Vocal. Now this can be found at created.com. I do not know why you have to go to created.com to get to Vocal, but that's what you have to do. And Vocal is a website with over 10 million monthly users, and this is a new platform where anybody can post articles and include affiliate links. A lot of sites like Quora, for instance, will not allow you to post any type of article with an affiliate link involved, but this one happens to do that. So the first step then is to go to created.com, and we're going to hit visit Vocal right here, and that's going to direct us to the Vocal homepage. And from the homepage, we want to sign up for a free account, so we'll do that by pressing join here at the top, and you'll just enter your name, an email, and a password and sign up, or you can sign up with your Facebook page, Twitter account, Google account, or Apple account. Now, once you've signed up with Vocal, there's two different ways to make money here. Number one is we can create a story and add our affiliate link into there. Now, don't worry, I'll show you exactly where to get these stories. You don't have to be an author. Don't worry about that. We're going to get those for free. The other way is we can go check out these challenges right here, okay? Now, there's only 2 up at a time right now. They're going to add more, but we can see that if we submit a story about homecoming or share a poem inspired by what home means to you, you can win $5,000. Now, we can also put an affiliate link in whatever story or poem here that we might include. This one is a $2,500 winner, so you can just take your chances with those. You might as well. I'm going to show you exactly where to get these articles and these stories. First thing we want to do is just kind of explore these top stories here. We want to see what's already trending on this site, what a lot of people are looking at, what they're reading, and kind of get an idea of a subject that we can kind of copy and then go find an affiliate product that fits in there. And right away, this is jumping out at me, this article or story right here, the list of 5 ridiculous things a man has told me about whatever, okay? These are attention grabbing. They get a lot of reads because they're usually short and they're fun. So let's try to copy that a little bit. Let's find a list of something, okay? And this is where we're gonna do that at. Come here to killerplrarticles.com. You will have to create a free account, email, name, so on and so forth. But this is a treasure trove of free articles. These are copyright-free articles, lists, stories, etc. that somebody else has written that we can take and use however we want. And there's tons of different categories here. And since I already know that health, fitness, and weight loss products are the biggest sellers on ClickBank, let's just go right here to health and fitness. I think we can find something good that we can use. So let's just start by clicking on like weight loss right here, okay? Weight loss, and some sort of list that we can use, like right here, 3 choices to help you lose weight, okay? That is kind of long though. That's 883 words. If we can find a shorter one, let's do it, but if not, we'll go to that. Oh, this might be good. Losing weight is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it kind of leaves you hanging. That's only 351 words. Maybe we want to use that one, so let's click on it right now, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the article. This is going to work just fine for us. We can use this very easily. We'll go back into ClickBank and find a product that pays us a lot of money that has to do with weight loss. So the next step we want to do is we want to go to Google Docs. We want to paste that article inside a Google document so it's saved to a file and we can download it. So that's where we're going to start. Just Google Docs, and it'll take you right there. Just click on the first one that comes up right here. And then we just want to start a blank document like this. So click there. Now we want to come back over to that article and we want to copy all this and paste it inside the Google Doc. And so now we've got that article here in a Google document. We don't have to worry about the title because we'll manually add the title inside the Vocal website. So now what we need to do is just keep this open in a tab. We'll go back over to ClickBank and we'll find an affiliate link for some sort of weight loss product to sneak in here. So back here at the ClickBank marketplace, we just want to scroll down and hit health and fitness right here. Here we go. And let's just see what comes up. Let's just start with the highest paying one right here, the Okinawa belly fat one. I know that pays a lot. That's a big seller. We've got this BioFit one. Let's check that out real quick. Let's see what they send us to here with BioFit. And good, we do have a video there, so that will work for us. Let's go ahead and try to promote that. Let's just push promote there. And they'll ask you to put your username in there, whatever nickname you signed up with, and you don't have to worry about the tracking ID. Just hit generate hop links right here. click this button right there, and now this is generated. Now we can copy this, take that link here to bit.ly.com, bit.ly.com. We're just going to shorten that link for free because ClickBank gives you these ridiculous long ugly links. So just paste it in there and hit shorten, and that's going to give us this nice link right here that's much cleaner looking. So let's just copy that, okay, and then we'll take that one over to our Google Doc and just paste it in here somewhere at the bottom so we have it. So we'll just paste it, and then here's our affiliate link at the bottom of this Google Doc. Now what we're going to do, since this article was entitled, I guess, 4 ways to lose weight, we're going to go back now and we're going to retitle it 5 ways to lose weight. So at the bottom here, you know, they've got their 4th accountability tools, whatever. So we're just going to go ahead and add a new headline here. We're just going to say number 5 way is to click on this link to find out. Oh, find out. And exclamation point. So that looks good. So now when we title this inside the Vocal website, it's going to be 5 ways to lose weight. So they'll get to the bottom of this, they'll click on that, you're going to make money. So when this is all good, we want to go ahead and download this. And to do that, we just press File here on the left-hand side, go to Download, and we want to go ahead and download it to a PDF document. Boom, right there. And so now it is going to be saved as a PDF. I always just like to drag these over to my desktop so I can see it. And then we're going to go back over to Vocal here, and we're going to go ahead and post that thing. And to do that, just push Create Story right here at the top right. Okay, now we want to title it. Remember, we want to title this 5 ways to lose weight or something like that. 5 ways to lose weight. Okay, and once that's in, then we can go ahead and select an image if we have one, and it's probably a good idea to find some sort of image. Just get it on your desktop, put it right there. But to post the actual article, we just want to scroll down here where it says Start Writing. Just hit that plus button right there, and then we'll be able to select a file from here, okay? Paste it there, and boom, it is up, and you are making affiliate money all day long. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.